Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Vanya.
We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Sonoma Raceway with MotoAmerica for the EBC 1000 Superbike races. And we're just doing a fan walk with you guys, just to kind of show you guys up close and personal with the racers. And as a fan perspective, as I am, I love MotoAmerica. So let's start walking the grid. We got about 10 minutes to the grid before they blow the horn. So let's start walking and seeing some of our favorite racers.
I'll be taking some pictures.
Bogman's going to be taking some stillies for us, but we're starting at the back of the grid. And let's see who we've got back here. Jeremy Coffey. Oh. Trying to stay out of everyone's way. So Jeremy Coffey's over here. He's, I would say he's my favorite privateer. He's of course on the BMW S1000 RR, and he had a little problem this morning, but all right. Actually, I got to say, second privateer, Jeremy. Thank you, because one of my good buddies, Manny, is out with the Super Stock 1000. So for Superbike, I'll say he's my number one. But we've got coming up. You guys know who that is? The Attack Performance. JD Beach, getting mounted up. And then heading over to Kyle Wyman on the only Ducati on the grid. So hopefully he'll be doing big things today. Looks like Papa's there. And Jake Gagne. Jake Gagne's not here yet, but Jake Gagne's bike, the BMW S1000 RR. And although he hasn't been doing that great this weekend, Josh, I hope you do better today. I hope you do good in this race. So Josh Herring over here on the number 2 Suzuki GSX-R 1000. So hopefully he'll do all right. And then we've got Jake Lewis. So Jake and Josh got in a little mishap earlier, and so Jake is here. Getting all warmed up, get those tires nice and warm, ready for the race. And then Matthew Skoltz, of course, with Westby Racing. Just an absolutely beautiful bike. Maybe one of my favorite bikes. Love the gold. Love it, love it, love it. Matthew, he'll be definitely in the top 5, I think. I'm gonna go with him for 3rd or 4th today. And then my number one, Tony Elias. Lucky number 24. Number one today. Tony, good luck. But actually, you know what? Garrett Gerloff killed it today in race 1 yesterday. Biggest lead in, let's find our flag. All right, guys. Sorry for that moment. Of course, we had to take a moment for the star signal to enter. But what I was saying yesterday, so Garrett killed it yesterday, a 10-second lead between him and Tony Elias. So Tony's got some work to do. And of course, we've got our number one grid spot, Cameron Beaubier. Cameron had a little mishap yesterday, but it looks like Cameron is ready to roll and ready to get out on the grid. So we've got the two Yamahas in first and second, and then we've got our Suzuki, Tony Elias in number third. And then of course we've got Matthew Schultz, and then Jake Lewis.
Yeah, exactly. But I guess these have like practice zero.
And then Anthony. And so, let's see, we got Josh talking over here with Hannah. So hopefully Josh will do a little bit better today. And then of course Jake Gagne, one of our local favorites. And then JD Beach. So hopefully JD Beach will kick it up, but he'll definitely be, I'm gonna shoot him up to probably the top 5 within the first 2 or 3 laps. You know, we got a grid out here, man. We've got such a great grid. These guys, they just have to keep it together. They have to keep it together. These guys, they just have to keep it together, and they have to keep the you know, contact. The contact's been kind of a little bit, yeah. So hopefully we can keep it all upright. I lost Bogna somewhere in here. She's just taking pictures. So that's our 5-minute call. So at the 5-minute call, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be packing up all of their generators. Actually, 5 minutes. We got 5 more minutes, so we're going to pause this for a few minutes, find Bogna, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So we're clearing the grid. Look who I found. My lovely. All right, so they're getting everything out. We've got to be out of here. But here's my prediction. I'm going to go with Garrett first, Tony Elias, Josh Herring, Beaubier, and Matthew Schultz. That's my pick.
Okay, I like that. I like that.
That's my pick. Let's get on the other side of the wall, guys, and let's watch this race start. All right, guys, so they're back. They're gridded up. We're about to start the EBC 1000 Superbike races. This is the race. This is it. Guys, enjoy the start of the race. And just like that, they're off. I mean, crazy. So I was up taking pictures yesterday, and these guys are blowing past us so fast. They're incredibly fast. So anyways, guys, thanks for staying tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, shoot us a comment down below. But thank you guys for the support, and we'll be back for the Stock 1000s next. And then we still have the twins, which we haven't been out to.
My favorite.
So this will be fun. But thanks for staying tuned. We'll see you guys next video.
Bye-bye.